Mr. Andrew Thompson's brake check update. It's got the With People Justice and got brand new ODI long neck grips, fluorescent orange. Obviously bar ends, quite nice. Got Tom White white wall animal tires. They're really nice. Got a Shaw Conspiracy highlighter yellow seat post. It's quite nice. And got the With People Justice frame, forks, seat, bars. And it's got the salt sprocket, salt cranks, salt hubs, and then got the clay pedals. They're decent. They've held up, I guess. So, Mr. Andrew Thompson, let's see a rollback out of you.
Okay.
Of our ghetto ramp here, a little garage ghetto ramp. It's quite the hack job, but it works. You know. Alrighty, big guy. Yeah, something to talk about.